Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Ulefone Armor X7 Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, start with the internet connection, make sure that you've got one, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store. If you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to do it right now, so either sign up or log in, because without it you will not be able to actually use the Google Play Store. So after logging, simply tap on the circle, which is your account, and then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device. Go to Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all installed apps, and in order to check the updates, we have to tap on Updates Available, and in my case I've got 20 of them, so all you have to do is to either mark all of the apps or choose 1, 2, 3, it depends. So let me choose Google Chrome, maybe Google Drive and Google Maps. To finish everything, tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed, and automatically the apps will be automatically updated. So you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course you can turn it off and do whatever you want. Everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.